guys, Justin here. Today I'm going to show you what you get when you buy one of our GMC single rear wheel brackets and flap kits for the 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra. And these will work on the 2019 heavy duties as well. We're going to start off, we're going to get the 12 by 23 cut style mud flaps. This pair has stainless steel plate on there, but we do have many different plate options you'll be able to choose from. When you're installing these, if you do have factory existing screws in the lip of the fender, you can use those to mount the mud flaps too. If you don't have those factory existing screws, you are going to have to use self-tapping screws to install those front flaps. Here you're going to get the 12 by 23 full style rear flaps. Again, this has a stainless steel plate. And then you also get this bracket. This bracket works in conjunction with these rear flaps. It's going to mount right on there. You go right back into your wheel well. It's going to make everything nice and easy and a good secure install. This is everything you need to get the mud flaps installed on your GMC Sierra.